All right. Have a nice day, guys. So we are coming to question to set 23. So welcome back to my channel. So let's talk about the question set 23. So we have 5 questions here, and let's do that. And today video is all about subqueries. So we are going to do this all 5 questions with subqueries. So subqueries are also familiar to us because we also know how to code subqueries. So let's talk more further about subqueries today in this video. All right, let's discuss about this question. So what is the lowest mark obtained for single subjects in the first step? So this question is so easy for us because in my previous video, we find what is the highest mark obtained for obtained for single subject or science or mathematics. So now we have to find lowest mark. So that means we need to use same method, but our keyword is different. So we are using max keyword for highest mark to find highest mark. Now we are using min keyword, min keyword to find lowest mark. So now let's see what is the lowest mark obtained for single subject in first term. So let's go to our ID scale and I open query tab using this. So when you click on that, you can see this new query tab. So you can open it, and also you can use Control and T to open query space. So now I'm going to write the query. Now I have to use min keyword. So I'm writing select min, don't give any space, open bracket. Now I need to get the lowest mark. So I need the student mark record, student exam mark record table, and I close the bracket with mark column. And coming to next line, we need this column to name but lowest mark obtained for single. So I use this abbreviation to write that. So lowest mark obtained for single. I named my column like that. And coming to next line, from I need to get these details from the student exam mark record table. So exam mark record table, I need to get that exam mark record, and where exam mark record. And now I need to join term table because I have exact term to find, that is first term. So I need to get the exam term ID on there. And we are using subquery, so we are using in keyword. So you already know about that. Select, and if we are using join keyword, we are writing a query like inner join. So we are using on keyword to join tables. So if we are using subqueries, we are using in keyword. So select exam term term ID, and coming next line, from I need to get from exam term table. And term table, where exam term, my exam term name column is also exam term. So I type that, and it equals to first term. First term. Yeah. Now I open this bracket on there. Now I need to close that, and now I can get first term all marks, all exam records. Now I need to get the single subject only. So I use we have another condition. So I use AND operation, and student exam mark record. I need to join subject table to find the subject, exact subject. So subject ID, this is the foreign key in student exam mark record. So I use subquery to join that also. So in select subject ID, from subject table where subject name we want, and it equals to single language and literature. So single language and literature. All right, now let's execute the query and see if it is okay. I need to close the bracket. All right, now it's all good. Let's see. So we want lowest mark in single subject in first term. Yeah, we can have this mark. This is the lowest mark in single subject in first term. So 75. Yeah. Now this is my query. So this is the answer. And now we have second question. So second question, find all details of the student who got the lowest mark in the first term single subject. So now we want to find the all details of the student. So you know how to find all details of the student. So we need to get the query. I'm deleting this previous query. Now I need to get the all details of the student who got lowest mark to single subject. So I'm select. I want a student details. So student index number. I need to use comma. Student first name. Student last name. Name. Student. We need details. So let's get gender and student contact number. Student. Now we don't need class ID. We are going to use class dot class name. So yeah, we don't need subject. So class name, okay. Now I need to get these details from student table, and I'm using inner join. So in the subquery part, we can also use inner join for our easiness. So I'm using inner join to join tables, and after I will find my details using subqueries. So inner join student exam record on student table. I need to get the index number, and index number equals to student exam record mark foreign key index number, and I will use that for join next query, next table. So I need to join class table, class, and class, and there's a student table. Okay. And class ID. Now I join class table onto student table, and also I join student table onto student exam mark record. So now student exam mark record, the student table and class table is they those tables are on one same table. So I join them together. So now they are same table. So use that join inner join. Now I need to connect subject table, subject and subject, and I use subject ID, subject ID. Now I need to join subject table to exam mark record table. So this equals to not index number, subject ID. Okay. Now I need to get the term table onto student exam mark record table. So exam term. So now I need exam term. So is that it goes from there. And now I need to get not subject ID, term ID. Student exam mark record. Now I need to get the exam term ID foreign key. So exam term ID. Okay. Now I connect those four tables in one table for in the student table. Now they are all same table. Now I need to find what I want. So I am using this where clause, and now I need to find subject name. It equals to single. We don't need semicolon here. Single. Right. In a language. Single language and literature. So there's AND operation here. Exam term table, and it equals to first term. So first term and student exam mark record. I need mark column. Okay. And now I am using subquery. So I use in. I want to select lowest mark. So I use min and open bracket student exam mark record dot mark, and I am renaming my column name as lowest mark, like that. And from I need to get them from the student exam mark record table. Exam mark record table. Yeah, I want to get student exam mark record. Now I need to get the now I need to search what I need to now I search mark table. Now I need to search a term table. So exam term ID, term ID. Okay. Now join term table. Select term ID primary key and get the from exam table where I want to get that from exam term table, and I need to join exam term column, and it equals to first term. Get that from first term, and I need to close the bracket. You need to memorize what you open, where you open the bracket and where you close the bracket. And now there is another condition. We need to find the specify subject. So I use and all is connected to always every detail is connected to student exam mark record, because we need to find the lowest mark, highest mark. Then we need to get the student exam mark record table for every join. So now I need to get the foreign key subject ID in subject ID, get the primary key, and from subject table where subject subject name equals to, it's all fine, I think. So we search, find all details of the student who got the lowest mark. Yeah, we search the student who got lowest mark to single subject, and I also find their all details: index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, and class name. All right. Now let's execute that and see if it's not any errors. I don't see any errors. Let's execute it. Now we can have this answer. So Madara Vanasekara, it is the student who get lowest mark to single subject in first term. So we have contact number, class name, gender, first name, last name, and index number also. All right. Now, okay, this is the whole query. You can see it. So yeah, this is some kind of complicated, but these are inner joins. So you can see these things are inner joins, these highlighted things. And there is a subquery part here also. You can see it. And there is a student details here. All right. Now, okay, I'm going to third question. I think you can understand about second question and first question really well. So what is the lowest mark obtained in second term science subject? All right. We need to get that. So we also find the lowest mark in single subject. Yeah, single subject. Now we need to change the term and change the subject name. All right, that is so easy. All right, guys. Now you can see the previous query. We find first term single language lowest mark. So now you can see it. Yeah. Now you can see it. Now we need to change only few things to find a second term science subject lowest mark. So I need to change that second, and also need to change that like science, and also change that. Now we can have science second term lowest mark. Let's execute that. 45.52. Yeah, this is the lowest mark obtained for science subject in second term. So if we search first term we can have first term like 10.5. This is the lowest mark. All right, guys. Now we did third question also. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the query. All right. So we are going to fourth question. So what is the minimum mark obtained for subject of mathematics in term examination held on 2027 10? Okay, now we have exact examination date and also exact subject like mathematics. So this is the one. This is the one condition, and this is the another condition. We need to find the minimum mark. So we can also use this query. So I am using this query, and I will customize that. So I find second term science subject. Now I have exact examination date. So now I need to connect exam date column, exam date column, and change the column name. Okay, I copy that. And now I need mathematics. Okay, I rename the column name, and now it's okay. I get that. Okay, now I can execute that, and we can have this 44 and 44.12. So this is the lowest mark obtained for mathematics in 2020 710. So we have exact examination date. So in this date, if we consider about subject of mathematics, we have 44.12 minimum mark. All right. Now you can see this is the fourth question answer. So this is the query, and this is the answer. So you can see. We have another one question to do. So this is the last question. Find all details of the student who obtained the minimum mark obtained for subject of mathematics in the term examination held on 2027. Okay, now we have exact date on there, exact examination date and exact subject. And now we need to find all details of the student who obtained minimum marks. So this question is also equal to second question. You can see find all details of the student, and also we need to find the all details of the student on there also. So now we can use second query we previously do. So this is the query. I want all student details. So these are all, and I need to change the subject name to mathematics. So I am changing it mathematics, and also this subquery I need to change. Now I have exact examination date, not a term name. So examination date is 2027-10. So now I need to change exam date table. I need to get the exam date table, and also paste on the exam date. Now I have exam date. All right, it equals to this date. Okay. And also I change that. Okay. Now we can find all details of the student who get lowest mark to mathematics on this date. So let's execute the query, and we can have this student Sanduni Jayratna. We can have the gender, contact number, and class name. All right. So this is the fifth question. This is the query for fifth question. So, and this is the answer. All right. We already added all these 5 questions in question set 23. Now I think you can successfully understand what I'm saying, and we find lowest mark today. So in my previous video, we find highest mark. So I use max keyword. So uh, in this question set, we use min keyword to find details. So that is the only change. So we are using subqueries and join queries too. We mix them and find details, what we want. So in this question set, I talked about what is the min keyword and how we can use it to find our details. In my previous video, I use max keyword, and I show you how to find details using max keyword. All right, guys. Now today question set is over. Now I'm going to wind up my video. So I think you can understand that. If you don't, you can comment me below in the comment section. And if you get some bunch of knowledge with this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel. And also hit the bell icon. When you hit the bell icon, if I post the new video, you can get notification. All right, guys. I see you in my next video. Peace.